When you're locked out in New York City, there's a lot of ways you could find a locksmith. Most people take a look at the first number they find and they call them. However, most people aren't aware that there's a lot of ghost locksmiths or scam artist locksmiths flying around. You need to be really careful about who you call at night. Not calling the right locksmith company could cost you a lot of money, and that is not good. At SOS, we strive in customer service. We've had a storefront location since 1973 on the same block in Chelsea. If there's ever an issue, you could always pop in and see us. We're not a mobile operation, although we do have 9 radio dispatched vehicles in the city every day. 24 hours a day, you could call us at our number, 212-206-7777, and we'll have a licensed professional locksmith come to your apartment or business and let you know the prices before we start the work. We're always upfront, we're always professional, and we always use the best materials possible. Feel free to call us anytime at 212-206-7777 or request a free estimate on our website at soslocksmith.com.